Hello everyone, glad to have you back. Today we're doing a special Christmas song, a new one that seemingly not many people know. And it's well known to my family, but the internet doesn't know much about it. It's called For Unto Us a Child is Born. It's actually a verse from Isaiah, and it's actually not only a Christmas song, it is just a Christian song. So you can sing it all through the year. It's in G, which means we're using G, C, D, and an extra chord, A minor. So first I'm going to just strum it, an easy going strum, and then I'm going to show you a nice pick for the same song. We're going to go like this. You will remember that for G we're using all the strings, and for C we're using from the 5th down, and for D from the 4th down, and for A minor 5th down. So you're going to try to hit the bass string with this finger, with the index finger. So in the case of G it's... Don't worry if you hit more than one bass string, it usually doesn't sound too bad. So it's bass, up, down, up, down, up. You can download the chords from the description, and then you can practice it nicely. It looks like you have to pay for these songs, but you can just click on $0 and then it's for free. So when you know this song, you can try this picking method. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to use the bass string, which is number 6 for G, and then you're going to go 3rd string, and then the bottom 2 strings together, and then the 3rd string again, and then the 2 bottom strings again, and then the 3rd string again, like this. For C it will be number 5, same thing at the bottom. From the 4th, and for A minor from the 5th. So let's sing the song slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, the Mighty end of the song with G, C, G, you'll see there's only very short time for C. So you cannot do the whole pick. You just go. So C has only got two little, and then you've got to go back to G. G, C, G. There's an easy way for picking this, and it is like this. G, C, D, A minor, G. I'm just going to sing the beginning of this song with the easy picking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, for unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given. So you can pick up the gist there. Just a tip I can give you to watch out for where in the word the chord changes. Sometimes it's not at the beginning of a word, but rather in the middle or even towards the end of a word that the chord changes. We're going to make some nice Christmas music towards Christmas, a whole series, so there's nice things coming up. Please subscribe so that you can get all the notifications. I hope you'll get it right. Happy practicing. See you next time.